Alright, so recently I got a GoPro. So I'm gonna unbox it. It's time to open the old knife and begin the unboxing process. Don't need this anymore. And yes, I do know that I cut very safely. And I'm very good at opening regular boxes. We got stickers. Now for the best part, pulling off the plastic. I got out the cage and spent a while trying to figure out how to open it. I eventually did open it. Next I began undoing the, whatever those rubber band things are called, on the head strap, which, to be honest, I probably will never use because I got a chest mount. Also got a sticky boy and just some general mounts. Here's a nice part of the bundle. I got a 16GB micro SD. It's a few days later, but I got a chest mount and now I'm testing it out. Clearly I need to work on the angles because, yeah, it's a nice view of my top tube. And so yeah, this is this video, and always remember to stay Gucci.